This video will be your guide on how to find your Capital One statement closing date in 2025. Of course, first step is that we need to start with the essentials. Now, as you can see here, we have an account summary. See how it all breaks down. A summary of your account is all in one place and it's color-coded. For its account notifications is that here we need to know where to go for important updates. Account notifications are prominently displayed. Next up is account activity. Get the transaction details you need. Your account activity is clearer, laid out for better readability. Note that your statement closing date is the last day of your billing cycle. Capital One typically has billing cycle ranging from 28 to 31 days. The payment due date is usually 25 days after the statement closing date. And that is all on how to find your Capital One statement closing date in 2025.